Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. And today I want to talk to you about the wrong time to create your estate plan. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, the wrong time to create an estate plan. Most people know they should do an estate plan, and you should, and they think about doing it, and they might even take some steps to do it. They might even start doing it, but they never do it. And the wrong time to do it is after something happens to you. The problem is we never know when that's going to be, right? I'm going to share right now, by the way, just an FYI, some things that I have heard, that I have experienced through the firm, that have happened to sort of maybe help you do what you need to do, okay? The classic example, and this has actually happened to me, is I did a potential client meeting with a lady, and she called. She wanted to set up a power of attorney for her husband. They had separate bank accounts, and she needed to get access to his bank account so that she could pay some bills. He had been in a car accident and was in a coma at the time. And so obviously he couldn't withdraw any money out of the accounts. And she was trying to get access so that she could pay their bills. She did not have a power of attorney. She did not have any way to access those accounts. And she was kind of out of luck without going to court and going through a pretty substantial process to be able to get access to those things. The power of attorney should have been done before he got in an accident. The problem is you don't know when that time is going to be. That's why you should just go ahead and get it done. The other thing that I see often is people will make promises about who should get a house, who should get a certain amount of money, who should get something, and often it's not equal to maybe the other people that are going to be getting things. Someone has either already been loaned a bunch of money by a parent, and so they want to reduce that amount. Someone is in greater need of assets, and so a parent wants to give more to that person. Sometimes the child has been a caregiver to the parents, and they want to recognize that with some extra money. Sometimes the person has a problem, an addiction, and they want to make sure that the person has access to assets but can't just have them because they'll just snort them, right? Or smoke them or whatever they're going to do with them. And if you want those types of things to happen, if you want those types of things to work, you need to create your plan before something happens to you. If you die unexpectedly and you have not created a plan, everything is going to go where the government says it should go. And that is not going to be in proportion to what you want. It may not even be to the people that you want. So you want to make sure you take care of that beforehand. I'll tell you another example here. I talked to somebody several months ago, and they were young. I think they were 42 years old, owned a business, had kids, was not married, but had actually the other parent. They were together, like they were in a committed relationship. They just hadn't gotten married. And this person died unexpectedly of, I think, like a heart attack at 42. Not expected at all. Now, all of that person's assets are going to go to the kid, and not to the partner, who they probably wanted everything to go to before it went to the kid, right? Sort of like a committed relationship, but without the marriage. And the laws are different when you're not married. And that's going to cause significant potential problems and a lot of frustration and a lot of time and effort and money that they didn't have to spend. So the wrong time to do your plan is after something happens to you. The problem is we don't know when that's going to be. So please, please, please go get something done. You don't have to get it done with us. I don't care. I would love to help you if you want us to, but I'm sure there's some other people out there that can do a decent job, about 85% as well as we can, right? So get it done, please. And don't fall victim to these unknown circumstances to life. All right, that's it. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you have questions or comments, leave them. I'm happy to answer them. And if you want to talk more about estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that's it for today. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you, and I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.